simple problem like that can get you stuck in the middle of nowhere. Stay with us and we'll explain why. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a BMW. It could be practically any BMW model, and if you have a problem where you get a warning for an open door but the door is actually closed, stay with us, we'll explain how to fix that in this video today. Because for instance, if you experience that on a left door, on a driver door, passenger door, on some new BMWs, your transmission will automatically go in neutral and you will not, or park, and you will not be able guys to practically move your vehicle. So we will explain what can easily cause that and how to fix it. All that will be covered in this video today. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On BMWs, we'll have more than 1000 videos. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. You can see we got another one to work on here recently as well. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your BMW or any car, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and you can save a fortune. So let's start on it now. So what we have specifically here, we'll demonstrate on that 3 Series BMW guys. But anything practically after year 2010-12, when they started using practically that transmission shifter guys, you will notice often that if you open the door and you are in drive or something, it will automatically put it in park and you will not be able to continue. So for instance, you forget that the vehicle is in drive, you open the door to walk out of the vehicle, it will stop automatically. That's a safety feature, which is great. But now, if you guys get a message that or warning that a door is open but it's actually closed, what causes that? You have a special micro switch that detects if the door is open or closed on your BMW. Now, if you pay attention here now guys, okay, I want to show you now here. We come this way, okay, check this thing out, and you see everywhere there is no guys switches anywhere on the car, right? Nothing on the door. Your micro switch guys is integrated in another component, and if you look here at the back door now, okay, you have that device that's known as a door lock actuator. Okay, when that door lock actuator closes, you have a special micro switch that will activate, and this is guys the door lock actuator from the front door. This has a special switch on the inside that when that thing flips, you can see that actuator, okay, that thing, when it goes right here, it will turn and it will close your door. And when it closes your door, okay, it's closed right now, the micro switch will be activated. So the only way for us to open it is, okay, to pull the door handle mechanism. Now, if that micro switch is broken or not working correctly, guys, what you will experience, you have problems where the car guys, okay, will tell you that you have an open door when the door is actually closed. And it can get you stuck in the middle of nowhere due to the fact, okay, that guys, okay, I'm trying to see what we have here. Due to the fact, okay, that this micro switch guys is not working correctly. How do you do that? You can, on some models, you can take them apart, replace the micro switch only. Those new ones are practically pressed in. It's a pain in the dash, but you can still take them apart in some cases. But the easiest way to do is replace the door lock actuator. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy one from. They're not very expensive, and we have a complete video how to replace door lock actuator as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.